Hi, so we're going to be doing coconut Toto. So we have some grated coconut. I'm just going to add some sugar, so that's going to put 1 cup of sugar. Put some butter. So this is some Jamaican coconut Toto. So we have 2 cups of flour here. 2 cups of flour. So I'm going to add the cinnamon spice in it. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon spice. Then I'm gonna add the mixed cake spice, 2 teaspoons. Then I'm gonna have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons is good. 2 teaspoons? What? 1 more? One more. My mom said 1 more teaspoon, so that's 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Gonna do the mixture. Should have a spatula over there to make it easier on our arm. Think it's sweet enough. It's a smaller mixture. So I'm just using the knife and mix it because my mom has a spatula over there. Okay, we're done. And you want the liquidy first. I'm gonna add the flour with the mixed spice added. Add the mixture. We have some fruit, some wine, some rum. Just gonna add the mixture in. Just gonna give it a mix. Has a nice texture. It smells nice. Can we give it a taste? Is it too liquidy? Is it too liquidy? Is it too liquidy? Yeah. That's a good texture. Or need some more flour with something? Need some more flour? I'll get some more flour. Add 1/4 cup, a little scoop. I just had 1/4 cup of this little scoop in there. One second, Mama. You have some butter on the spoon still. I'm just gonna. Make a nice coconut Toto. I'm using one hand, hold the phone. And the smell with all the essence with the spice. Cinnamon and the rose almond and vanilla, and with the rum, just a little rum in it. And I'm using the Jamaican red label wine and some white rum added in. It's gonna add it in the pan. I have the pan here ready. So you're gonna pour it in. Lift it higher because it's gonna come higher. Yeah. And this is making like our 1 pound. 1 pound. Okay, here's the spatula. Hold the camera, I'll do it. Let me figure out answer it in there. Hold the camera, just hold there. Slow it down. You see it? And this is gonna bake for around the same 2 hours, or maybe an hour and something. It's a smaller tin, so we'll have to check and see the time when it's ready. Sometimes depends on the texture. It might just take a longer to bake. And the oven right now is on 400. I'll turn it down to 350. And there you have it. Jamaican Toto. That's it. Paper. Just gonna add it in. Thanks for watching, and once again, it's Arlene's Kitchen. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and let me know in your comment, and I'll stay tuned back for part 2 of the finishing product when it's baked. Thanks for watching again.